Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. I actually travel a lot. In fact, I'm flying off to Osaka, Japan in just a few days time to attend SneakerCon Osaka, as well as to have like a much needed vacation. Now with that in mind, I actually put together this vlog to help you guys out who also are planning on traveling to be able to put together your travel essentials. So for this video, I'm going to share with you what my travel essentials are, from my favorite travel bag to all of the things that I always make sure that I bring, from my electronics, gadgets, to all of the non-electronic stuff. Everything that I bring with me usually when I travel, I'm going to share with you guys today. Let's go! Now before we get started, let me just give you a quick reminder. Make sure that you watch until the very end because I might be giving away something special that's super expensive that you probably can use while you are traveling. Again, that's a tip. Watch until the end. You wouldn't want to miss what I'm going to announce at the end of this video. Let's start things off with the bag. Now usually when people travel or do videos like this, they show you a really nice, sleek looking backpack, and that's what they usually use to travel. Now my personal preference is to go with compact small luggage cases like this one. This is the Tumi compact 4-wheel luggage case. So it actually comes in this sleek black color. You even have like a monogram so you have the option of putting your initials at the front of the case. And the great thing about this one is that apart from having 4 wheels so that it's multi-directional and easy to bring around and move around, is that it's actually built to carry a lot of your essential electronics and daily items. There are a ton of compartments in this case. For example, if you zip it open, you can already get a feel for how many things you can put inside, and you can actually rearrange this because a lot of the items here are removable and modular. So if you just want an empty case to put your clothes in, you can do that. If you want to put in the dividers to slide in your laptop, your tablet, your power banks, your headphones, you can do that as well. So this is an amazing all-around functional case that you can use with you when you are traveling. Also, it's super easy to slide out your laptop if you are going to pass through security and you need to bring it out of your case. So again, this is my travel bag of choice, the Tumi 4-wheel compact version 4. My next travel essential is my wallet, and I don't carry around your typical normal wallet. I carry around the KeySmart Urban Passport. So what's so special about this wallet? First, as you guys can see, just with me holding it in my hand, it is massive. Why is it massive? Because it pretty much carries everything that you need when you travel. You have a passport slot over here at the side, so you can slide in your passport. You have 4 card holders over here for your credit cards or whatever cards you bring with you when you travel. You have a big slot over here for different kinds of cash, be it international or pesos. It should be able to take that on. And what's awesome about this is that it even comes with a pen that you can use to be able to write on the immigration forms as you are traveling, immigration or custom forms. And it also has additional slots inside for SIM cards. So if you are traveling and you want to change SIM cards, there is a provision for that. It even has a SIM ejector tool over here, which you never see in wallets. It also has another, a bunch more of compartments inside that I have yet to figure out what it's for. But it's really built for people who travel with all of the compartments that you need while you are going around whatever country you are going to. And it is RFID protected, so nobody should be able to scan all of your essential details from your cards as you are moving about in different parts of the city. The next essential I have is this pouch over here with essentials that should keep you fresh. And the first thing that I want to show you guys is this amazing compact toothbrush called Banal. So it actually has a toothbrush already with the toothpaste packs inside. So it's easy to be able to swing out and use as a toothbrush either in the plane or if you are outside the country and you don't have a toothbrush with you. Apart from that, I also have this Travalo atomizer. So what is the Travalo atomizer? Now the problem with riding on airplanes is that you cannot use or bring with you like big perfume bottles because of the liquid limitation. Now what this Travalo atomizer does is that it's able to get the perfume that you have in your bottle and store it in this particular atomizer so that it passes the regulations and limitations enforced on us when we are traveling on planes. So you should be still able to carry with you your favorite perfume if you are in the plane or if you're going to another country without having to bring that giant perfume bottle. So again, the Travalo Atomizer. Now, before we get to this, which is my electronics briefcase, which contains all of my gadget essentials when I'm traveling, let me just share with you another item that I always bring with me when I travel, and that, of course, are my Everscroll movement glasses, which also happens to be the sponsor of today's video, Movement. Movement is not just about watches. They actually have amazing watches like the one that I have with me today. The one that I'm wearing here, it's a fashion watch. It's not that expensive. You can buy several and then match it to the outfit that you have. But another product line that they have that I love is their Everscroll glasses. Now, what do I love about their glasses? First, they have different kinds of frames that fit different kinds of faces. My biggest issue when wearing glasses is that I have a pretty round face, and it's kind of hard to find the right kind of glasses that will suit like the form of my head. And that's where this frame really comes into play. It fits perfectly. I'm able to wear it without any issues, without it squeezing the side of my head. It's the perfect fit. Now, apart from being reading glasses, the best thing about the Everscroll glasses is that it actually filters out blue light. And that blue light is actually harmful to your eyes and can cause unneeded and unwarranted stress, especially in today's society wherein we keep on looking at screens all day long. Be it screens of our laptops, screens of our phones, screens of whatever it is that we look at, because we live in a connected digital society. So having glasses that have the capability to filter out blue light is good for us in the long term, and that's where the Everscroll glasses of Movement come in. Now, if you want to buy any products from Movement, be it their amazing watches or their Everscroll glasses, I have great news for you guys. They're actually having a 30% off sale this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So those are just 2 days. Please do take note. That's this Friday and on Cyber Monday, 30% off, 0% off. That is an amazing discount for the different kinds of products and services that they have, and you should take complete advantage of that. So what are you guys waiting for? Get your 30% off your favorite Movement products now by going to movement.com/Carlo-Ople. The link can be found down below, but you can also type it in your browser and you should be able to get to that specialized site that we put together where you guys can avail of the amazing discounts that they have for you. Next, let's talk about my electronics or gadget travel essentials, and most of them are actually found in this sleeve that I bring with me, which I also got from Tumi. It has my initials there at the monogram of the front. Now, I usually bring with me a laptop so that I can edit videos, but if it's a short trip and I won't be doing any editing, I usually don't bring a laptop anymore. However, one travel essential that I always bring with me is my iPad. Why is my iPad important? Because all of the videos that I watch and all of my music, all of the things that I need to entertain myself while I am in a long flight can be found in my iPad. So I'm a huge fan of the iPad. I can even edit videos using iMovie with this one together with the Apple Pencil. So again, the ultimate productivity and entertainment device while you are on the go, at least in my opinion, the iPad. Now, of course, apart from the iPad, we also have my smartphone. This is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, which I did a video on. If you haven't seen my unboxing as well as my No Google Challenge video yet, check that out. The link can be found in the description box. I also bring with me my Huawei Quick Charge or Supercharged power bank that charges the Huawei Mate 30 Pro very fast, which is also critical when you are traveling. And lastly, I tend to use like true wireless earphones instead of headphones when traveling, just because they are easier to wear and easier to use. And I rotate across all of the different true wireless earphones that I have. Currently, the one in my bag is the Sennheiser one, which delivers amazing sound quality. And lastly, I am a sneaker guy, and you probably saw that there is a massive compartment inside the box for shoes. And one of the things that I do is that the hype sneakers that I bring with me when I travel is usually in my carrying case because they are expensive. And I don't want to put them inside the check-in luggage. I want them to be near with me. And when I travel, my favorite hype sneaker of choice has always been the Off-White Presto OG, the one that I have here in my hand. Actually wore this the last time I was in Japan. If you guys weren't able to catch my entire Japan sneaker shopping series, please do check it out. I'll link down below the entire playlist so you can watch everything. So it's a sneaker shopping guide where I talk about all of the best places where you can actually shop for sneakers and streetwear while you are in Tokyo. So I talk about Harajuku, Shibuya, and a bunch of other amazing places. So again, I usually bring with me my hype sneakers inside my travel case. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are my travel essentials. What about you guys? Let me know what your favorite travel essentials are. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know down below in the comments section. And you know what, just to spice things up, I already mentioned to you guys that I have a lot of true wireless earphones. Let's make this a little bit more interesting. I have with me here the Sennheiser true wireless earphones, which sell for almost 18,000 pesos. That's what, $400, $500. So how about we just give it away? So here's what you need to do. You need to subscribe to my channel. You need to follow me on Instagram. You need to join my Facebook community. The links to that can be found down below. You also need to follow Movement on Instagram. I'll put a link to their Instagram account as well in the description box. And lastly, just leave a comment down below on what your favorite travel essentials are. And if you were to buy anything from Movement, head on over to their site right now with the link that I gave you and just share with that what that item is as well, and include your IG handle, and you get a chance to win this Sennheiser true wireless earphones, which sell for almost $400, $500 or 20,000 pesos. I will be drawing the winner on November 30th, so that's just a few days away. So make sure that you guys do the instructions and follow what I just said so you can be part of the draw. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.